Hi folks, we're back here again. So this is the channel. I'm on the left side of the aircraft going back to what I was working on earlier. And now I've come up to here and we have found more corrosion. If I can focus on it, that whole channel there is corroded. You can see it here. This is all flaking out. Right here's a big spot. So that's just corroded, coming apart. So that's the window channel, the slide. So what I'm gonna have to do is, I've already started drilling out, get the pieces out, and 80-year-old plane, gotta love it. When we actually find the piece that I got out, you can see it was pretty bad. And this is the actual channel, as you can see, for it's the window channel. The pilot side sliding, left side window that slides open and close for him, but it was pretty bad there. It's very bad rust. It's destroyed it pretty much. So anyway, we'll pull this out. I'm not sure if we have a piece long enough. We might have to get some more. But that is from Boeing Corporate. They had the extrusion for us. And anyway, I will continue this video sequence when we get ready to install, or actually fabricate and then install.
Hey, if you like that video and you want to support our restoration efforts here, feel free to follow the links in the description to see how you can help.